আচ্ছা, একটা নিউজপেপার রিপোর্ট আজকে পড়বো। আর এটা হচ্ছে হিন্দুস্তান টাইমস নিউজপেপার থেকে। যেটা হয়েছে একটা ট্রেন অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট। তাতে কি হয়েছে, 12টা কোচ, 12 কোচেস ডিরেইলড। 12টা কোচ কি করেছে না, লাইনচ্যুত অর্থাৎ ডিরেইলড ফ্রম দ্য রেলওয়ে ট্র্যাক ওয়্যার ইন তামিলনাড়ু। ট্রেন অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট, TN means Tamil Nadu. In short, it has been written, it is an abbreviation from TN, but TN means Tamil Nadu. Means in Tamil Nadu, a train accident has occurred in where 12 coaches from the train has been derailed. Now we are getting into the main topic, the body of the news. It has been taken out from the Hindustan Times newspaper. You can see the Dibya Chandra Babu and Neha LM Tripathi. They are the writer of this news. Okay, they have written this, and this is the email ID where you can send mail regarding feedback and any other queries or comment in this video. So let's see. It's Chennai, New Delhi, where it has happened. At least 12 coaches of a long distance express train derailed after it rammed into a stationary goods train at Kavaraipettai in Tamil Nadu on Friday night, Southern Railway officials said, and added that there were no casualties or life-threatening injuries reported after the accident. So, क्या हुआ कि what has happened? A Malgadi goods train was in a stationary form, and the train just came down with a high speed and rammed down and rammed the goods train. Okay, and after it just rammed down the goods train, it derailed, and after derailing 12 coaches derailed from the line. मतलब कि 12 coaches, 12টা কোচ কি হয়েছে মেন লাইন থেকে has been derailed from the main line, and the accident has happened in this way. But fortunately no casualties or life threatening injuries reported after the accident. So this is the plus point, the positive news from the entire train accident, that no one has lost their life. Now, what has happened? Railway officials said the train appeared to have entered a loop line where the freight service was parked. So, what has happened? The train appeared to have entered a loop line. So, this is the main cause of the accident. That's the train has entered in a loop line. So, loop line मतलब main line, and this is the loop line. So, इसमें इधर जाना था, it had to go in this way, but unfortunately it moved on this way. So as the train moved down on in a wrong track, so the accident has happened. You can see it has been written in the newspaper as the train entered in a loop line where the freight service was parked, and that will now be investigated. So ये कैसे हुआ? How it has happened, that will be investigated. The crash occurred around 8:30 p.m. Means in evening 8:30 p.m. when the crash has happened, shortly after the 12578 Bagmati Express train traveling from Mysuru in Karnataka to Darbhanga in Bihar crossed Ponneri station. So here the details has been written कि कौन सा स्टेशन क्रॉस करके कहाँ पे जाके वो एक्सीडेंट हुआ था. तो अब देखो कि हमने जब न्यूज पढ़ा, ये 2 पैराग्राफ तुम देखोगे, मैंने पढ़ा, तो इसका क्या पढ़ा, कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए, इसको एक सेंटेंस को इकट्ठा पढ़ना चाहिए, तब जाके इसका मीनिंग समझ में आएगा. So now let's go to the second column. The train was given a green signal to run through at the next station. What is the name of the next station? Kavaraipettai. So what has happened? The train was given a green signal from the signaling point that you go to the next station Kavaraipettai through the main line. Main line se jao. A southern railway official said. While entering the Kavaraipettai station, the train crew experienced a heavy jerk, and instead of going into the main line as per the signal given, the train running at a speed of 75 किलोमीटर पर आवर entered into a loop line. तो क्या हुआ, उधर पे ही गलती हो गया था. जब उनको when it had to go in the main line, unfortunately inadvertently it went into the loop line. मतलब main line से नहीं गया, loop line में वो ट्रेन चला गया. The train went into the loop line. And why it couldn't control itself? Because it was at a speed of 75 kilometer per hour. In that speed it went into the loop line. It hit a goods train station on the loop line from behind. तो एक मालगाड़ी उधर खड़ा था, एक गुड्स ट्रेन खड़ा था, तो ये किया क्या किया, ट्रेन पीछे वाला ट्रेन जा करके उसमें हिट किया, बहुत जोर से हिट किया। Adding that initial report suggested 6 passengers were injured with fractures and bruises. मतलब उसमें क्या हुआ कि थोड़ा फ्रैक्चर हुआ था हड्डी में, और कुछ ब्रूइसेस मतलब कुछ घाव फाव ऐसा कुछ, मतलब खरोच आया था उस पैसेंजर्स को, समझे। तो द सर्कमस्टेंसेस appear to be similar to the 2023 बालासोर क्रैश। तो बालासोर में भी एक ऐसा हादसा हुआ था, वो ऐसा ही सेम है। when the Coromandel Express similarly entered a loop line, struck a goods train and derailed before another train, the Bengaluru Howrah Superfast crashed into it with 296 people dead. It was one of the deadliest train accident in the country. So I can remember that incident फ्रॉम पास्ट, कि करमंडल एक्सप्रेस भी जाके ऐसे एक मतलब हादसा हुआ था, और उसमें बहुत सारे के जान चले गए थे। वो लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैड इंजर्ड इन दैट ट्रेन एक्सीडेंट, एंड माय रिलेटिव वाज आल्सो गोइंग टू, मतलब उसी ट्रेन पकड़ने वाला था मेरा रिलेटिव नेक्स्ट डे में। तो फॉर्चुनेटली शी सेव्ड, मतलब उस दिन उसका फ्लाइट, सॉरी, ट्रेन यात्रा नहीं था। तो आगे क्या हुआ, ऑन फ्राइडे वन parcel van caught fire after the impact, but the blaze was doused by fire and rescue services team. मतलब फ्राइडे में भी एक ऐसा कुछ हादसा हुआ था जिसमें लिखा है इस खबर में ऑन फ्राइडे, मतलब कि फ्राइडे को एक क्या हुआ था, लिखा है वन पार्सल वैन caught fire after the impact by the blaze was doused by fire रेस्क्यू सर्विस टीम, द ऑफिशियल सेड। तो मतलब एक फायर एक्सीडेंट इंसिडेंट भी हुआ था फ्राइडे को। तो उसमें क्या हुआ था, एक पार्सल वैन में आग लग गया था, लेकिन वो फायर सर्विसेज टीम केम डाउन ऑन द स्पॉट एंड वेरी क्विकली दे डाउस द फ्लेम, सो दे कुड हेल्प by by diverting the accident. On now the next line, rescue and relief teams have reached the spot. Efforts are underway to evacuate passengers from all coaches. तो क्या हुआ कि रेस्क्यू टीम भी पहुंच गया था और इवैक्यूएशन भी प्रोसेस चालू था सबको बाहर लाने का। ओवर 95% पैसेंजर्स हैव ऑलरेडी बीन इवैक्यूएटेड, सेड दिलीप कुमार, एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड पब्लिक रेलवे बोर्ड सेड। 95% पैसेंजर्स हैव ऑलरेडी बीन इवैक्यूएटेड, मतलब उसको जल्दी से इवैक्यूएशन कर चुके थे जब ये रिपोर्ट लिख रहा था वो, और ऐसा हुआ। A railway official present in the accident site said 19 passengers were also injured. Were Passengers were injured so far. 19 passengers, of them 14 have major injuries, and they have been sent to Stanley Hospital. 5 others have minor injuries, the official said. In another statement, the Southern Railway confirmed that the train crew, loco pilot, train staff, and the guard were safe and no casualties were reported in the accident. मतलब जो क्रू थे वो भी सेफ था, उसमें भी जो लोको पायलट थे, उसका असिस्टेंट था, everyone was safe. The crew is safe. Around 12-13 coaches have derailed so far. No casualties are reported, but some injuries have been reported. All injuries are being moved to nearby hospitals. All injured means जो इंजुरी जिसको मिला है, जो इंजर्ड हुआ है, उनको नियर हॉस्पिटल में लेके गया है। ये किसी का स्टेटमेंट है, किसका? स्टेटमेंट सेड adding that arrangements are being made to transport stranded passengers to their destinations from the चेन्नई स्टेशन। जो स्ट्रैंडेड हो गया है वो पैसेंजर्स को लेके चेन्नई स्टेशन में लेके जा रहे थे वो लोग, तब ऐसा कुछ न्यूज़ है। और उधर से भी उनको क्या मिलेगा, ड्राइव मिलेगा। The railway closed both up and down movement on the affected lines and halted 3 trains in Chennai Godur section. तो ये था आज का न्यूज़।